veramente, non so cosa piacciono. So first order draw is a check. All you have to do is the business order for safe. Then you have to pick. But I was going to be really hard part, so why is that?
I'm on fire. Victory is in my hands.
Grab hold of our spiciest new tastes and pull to win millions of prizes with a chance to win one of thousands of Xbox One entertainment systems.
I came in a customer, but I leave a legend.
And another symbol for the body. And for the wings, what I do is that. And for the feet, it's just squares. Match.
In terms of getting off the field, it has to be helped. And you see his guys around you, but what I found interesting is you're coming up on 4th and short. There's a possibility you might go for it. And the offensive line's not in an offensive huddle. They're out there checking on their fallen comrades, which I think is admirable. Because normally you'd be over in a huddle talking strategy at that point. This is what they're decide to do here on 4th and short.
Okay, so now to do her job as a bear.
Geiger has a career long of 49 yards. Against Iowa, this would be 50 yards. Would they give him a shot?
Okay, so what else do I have to do?
Yeah, that's what you're doing, man. Yeah,
Wow, that's really good. Can you see that?
That's terrible. They get nothing out of that.
I hear my cut short.
Like that. This is the body. Eyeball is the way on. Like the other one's on the side of his head. Other
But once the one slips it, Blanker's not going to slip down. And Adolph is watching, as you noted, from inside out. Drops the shoulder for the big pop into Blanker. Adolphus Washington, 6'4", 295. Blanker, 6'5", 263. Both men colliding with each other. Those are like those two rams colliding out in the open field, aren't they? You know, they eye each other across the way, and they're all, let's go! Washington on his feet. He's battling a groin injury this year. And they have 4 guys out there, and for Ohio State to slip a couple guys in there and spill the play. A nice job done by Luke Patel, getting the quick with his defense for the Buckeyes. So 2nd down and 10. Washington walking off the field. Michigan still get a chance to hold.
It's in the number
Dusty Rufy.